What's going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Merry Christmas. Hope you're all having a fantastic day out there. Don't want to take too much of your time today, but I did want to hop on and go over my plans and kind of what I want to do with this Robinhood Challenge portfolio. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I mentioned it in yesterday's update video at the end of the video, so I'm not sure how many of you guys actually caught it. But the gist of it is I want to make a portfolio from scratch on Robinhood here. We're going to be using my Robinhood account, which honestly, I never use Robinhood. I mean, I only have $11 in it, a couple free stocks that I got from you guys, you know, AMC, VBIV, and AMRS. But I want to use Robinhood to start this portfolio with $100 and add a little bit more every month with the end goal of giving it to somebody, you know, whether it's a charity, somebody in need. I don't really know. I haven't decided quite yet. And the truth is, I want you guys to help me decide where this money is going to go, because the big thing about this is I want to obviously give it to somebody or charity, but the cooler thing is I want to actually build this portfolio with you guys. I want this to be a community thing where we pick the stocks within this Robinhood portfolio. I'm going to be putting in all the money. Don't worry about that. I'm going to be funding it, $100 at first, maybe $100 a month. We'll see what happens, but I'm going to be funding it. And as a community, we're going to pick the stocks within it, whether it's Apple. We'll buy a little bit of this, a little bit of that, maybe some ETFs. We'll decide together, and we'll also decide where the money's going to go, who gets the money, what charity, and we'll make it work, right? Again, I don't have all of the nuances, all the nitty-gritty lined up quite yet. But I do want to know, I want to add $100 a month, start out with 100, and maybe in 6 months, maybe 12 months, we can give away this money. We will give away this money, but we'll pick together who we give this money to, and I think it'll be a great way to just give back, to everybody out there, maybe people that are in need, you know, a charity. Again, we'll see what happens, and I think it's cool as a community that we can do this together. So drop some stocks down below. I don't know how we're going to do this yet, guys. Again, I don't have all the nitty-gritty lined up, but drop some stocks anyway. You know, we're going to have $100 at first, and I'll probably make a video every month updating how the portfolio's going. Drop some stocks under $100 that I could maybe buy in this portfolio. And maybe, I don't know how I'm going to do it. Should I do it in the comment section? We comment on, you know, different stocks, or maybe should I do, actually no, a better idea might be the community tab. If we do a community tab post every month going over a list of stocks, you know, maybe I'll pick them, maybe you guys can comment them, and we'll vote on them. So yeah, that's the gist of it, guys. Again, Merry Christmas. I don't want to hold you all too long, but I just want to go over again. I want to start this portfolio with the end goal of giving back to somebody in need, giving back to a charity, whatever. I feel like it's a noble thing to do here on Christmas especially, and just leading into this new year, you know, just giving back to the world. I think it's a good thing to do. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Again, any stocks that you guys think. I'll probably make a community post. I'm still trying to figure things out, but let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think about this? What charity could I give this to? Could we give this to, since it is a community project here? And let me know your thoughts. And again, I can't even talk, guys. Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy holidays to everybody out there as well. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching as always. Peace out.